No, run race is it's a serious topic, but it's also a social problem which people are facing. A very, very volatile age is of any man is between the time you finish your studies and trying to get a job. So in that, the main thing, your frustration, everything is your biggest support is your friends. In that moment, people can become a criminal, people can become a sensible man, they can become a philosopher, anything can happen in life. And the most of the people, everyone's biggest support will be their own friends because they'll be going through the same phase. Now, this is a story of that age kind of people who is love, friendship, betrayal and revenge. That's a story of the people of that age. This one incident makes the life of 4 people completely turn upside down. That's what the film is all about. No, I decided to make it 4 years back, but the thing is, nobody wanted to make this film with newcomers because too expensive a film it is. It has a canvas as big as any of the big stars movie. At the same time, the budget, nobody wanted to touch it with a small newcomers because the budget is not matching. So, but thanks to Vasuji, he said, okay, I'll do it. No, the thing is, it's not that. I saw Jackie and I saw his age is correct for this, and I selected another 3 more boys of the same age. So he was fitting in, all 4 looked like very good friends, and the look and height and age and everything matched. So that is very important. This friendship is the most important thing in this movie. So all 4 should look equally good. Priya, definitely the heroine of the film, is not the most important thing in the film. It's more about friendship than about love. But the love factor of what is it basically? There is 2 kinds of love. One is you are being attracted to somebody, and the second one is you really love someone. So this is a comparative study. That is where the heroine is a person who represents real love, and the other girl in the film who represents attraction, physical attraction. So these are the 2 contradicting characters in it. And though of course the love track is naturally like any other film, the heroine is the love track of the movie, that is Priya. She has done a wonderful job and played her character very sensibly. Almost 40% of the film has been changed because to the cultural changes, the city from village to city, small town to city, all those changes are there. So naturally, also the boys grow up here are not like the boys who grew up in a village in south. So the cultural changes, the family backdrops, few changes have been done, and the film has been compressed, and a lot of things have been deleted and a couple of things have been added. So it's a new, fresh screenplay with maintaining the same story. See, there is a strong social message at the end of the film, but what is important is that is also told like, not like a message, like it is being told like, it's an advice, it's not a message. Basically, whenever I make a film in Bollywood, first thing I keep in mind is the entertainment value. Without entertainment value, a more Bollywood film cannot survive. See, even Jackie is not a very known face. He is only 2 film old. So that doesn't matter. So that there's no image. So I wanted people without image. So even Jackie doesn't have an image, strong image. So that's very good for this film. Because everybody looks like boys whom you have seen on your neighborhood. Next is a film which I am doing in Malayalam with Mohanlal. Also film with Akshay and Imran Hashmi, another film is coming. These are the few plans, but at present what is going to start is a South film.